Here is a factory live shot of Crawler Scissor Lifts for you all today. Hope you'll like them. It has an autonomous traveling function, needing no trailers or external towing. It can do in-place steering and move forward, backward via a remote or operating panel, allowing flexible working, position adjustment, and saving manual handling time. The type of this crawler, type scissor lift without riggers, will be equipped with an automatic leveling function, making the platform more stable and enhancing its adaptability to the environment. With working heights ranging from 6 meters up to 14 meters, these lifts offer flexible options for various floor levels and equipment heights. This eliminates the need for scaffolding or multiple machines, significantly reducing operational costs. Additionally, the lifts can be equipped with modular accessories such as material trays, tool hangers, lighting systems, and charging ports to meet diverse operational needs including welding, electrical maintenance, and aerial cleaning. Moreover, it has extremely strong adaptability to the environment and can be used in the wild without power supply and under complex road conditions. If you're interested in this Crawler Scissor Lift, feel free to leave a message in the comments section. I'll respond to every inquiry.